वॉइस वस्तुंदा वॉइस वस्तुंदा भाई, गुड इवनिंग गुड इवनिंग गुड इवनिंग। चलिए चलिए, ग्रेट। सो हाँ जी, व्हाट्स माय नेम? माय नेम इज सौरभ पंत। सौरभ पंत, केमिस्ट्री। I'm awesome by birth. So tell bhai, how's the life going? How is the life going? Hello Raghavendra, hello. You have 2K subscriber in YouTube. 2K? नहीं यार, not 2K. More will be there. Some more. Rishabh Pant. हाँ यार, Rishabh Pant is my younger brother. He plays for the country. Wicketkeeper, batsman. Right now he's playing for Delhi Capital. Hello bhai, hello. Life is very bad. Should we buy 11th, 12th? 11, 12, both the NCERT you should take together only. Also take NCERT Exemplar. He is your bro. Navin nahi hai. Why he will be my bro here? No, he is not my brother. But ठीक है, name matches. Saurabh, Rishabh, Pant, common. NCERT you should have of junior inter and senior inter. You should also have NCERT Exemplar. One book is there which is ignored. Is NCERT Exemplar. That also you should buy here. That is a good book. You should have. Fingertips and all, those are okay. Those you should take for practice. But apart from that, NCERT Exemplar is made by NCERT. It is hardly 80-90 rupees book. Or maybe now rates have increased to 120. Very cheap book is there. Very good book is there. Clear, bhai? Where can I get yesterday's explained concept? I will upload on YouTube. Today I will upload in the Ghoshlights YouTube channel is there. Then the link will be provided to you in the group. Will you send the recording in the group? Yes, I will send. Can I ask doubt in WhatsApp? Bilkul, 100% you can ask the doubt in WhatsApp. That's why the number is given. Bilkul, that's why the number given. Can you provide exemplar? That is published by NCERT. That is government book. Government published book is there. I can provide you soft copy. If you want soft copy, I can send. PDF I can send in the group. But preferably, if possible, buy the hard copy. PDF is not as good actually, because until you rub the pen on the paper, concept does not go to the head easily. So PDF I will send, but still you should buy. That is better. Bilkul, books give feeling also, plus you are preparing for offline exam. That also you need to be sure of. There is no online exam you are going to write in the NEET examination. That is going to be offline. So you should be prepared since beginning for that only. Which topic did you tell yesterday? I told about oxidation state here. And this will create problem now. Those who did not attend the class in the last class, then this class will go as bouncer. So try to understand this class, then see the video which I will post. Then revise that video, then next class you'll be able to understand. Chandana, yesterday's class, my class got recorded, but Mohit Pandey sir class, Anurag sir class did not get recorded yesterday. But today's class, I think Anurag Verma sir class recorded, Mohit Pandey sir class half recorded. My class will be complete recorded. From tomorrow onwards, all the classes are getting recorded. So that is there. So now onwards, it will happen. Bhai, sound is good. You have to understand sound here, mic is there, mic. You have receiver. So sound is good receiving to most of the people. Your speaker might not be good enough. So there you need earphones. Good quality earphones will be required. Sir, can you give your number? Bilkul, I can give my number, bhai. For doubts. Clear, bhai? Doubts? No problem. I will send the link today after the class. I will send the link. I know sound is good. I know. Fee is not there. This is free classes here. Fee is not there. This is free classes. No problem, by no problem. These classes are free classes. Free means monetary fee, but we were free, so we thought, chalo, basics will become strong. So where recorded videos are uploaded, you will get the link in the WhatsApp group. You are in the WhatsApp group, na? Gift group is there, na? Some gift group, you are there. There it will get uploaded. Can we tell fee structure? Which fee structure, bhai? Which fee structure? Junior inter kya? That I have no idea, bhai. Junior inter fee structure, I don't have any idea. Zero. I am academic director. Administration work is seen by NSR sir, and managing work is seen by Narendra sir. Their numbers I can share with you. They are already there in the admin of the group. Bilkul, Dean Reddy is there. He is the administrative director. He has more idea about the fees and all. I have bilkul zero idea. I have no idea at all. Girls first year who is gonna teach chemistry. Some of the people, those who are teaching you, they will be coming exactly at the same time. Like I think physical chemistry, Chauhan sir will come. He will teach you in the 3rd week of gift program. Organic chemistry, I think Divya ma'am or Birmani sir or Tawfiq sir, one of them will come. ठीक है भाई? ठीक है. If you don't want, don't take. Sir, should we learn periodic table groups? No, not right now. Topic will come, that time you will learn. Will you repeat these classes after coming? But these classes are not the part of junior inter syllabus. These classes are not the part of junior inter syllabus. Oxidation state calculation will come. It will come in the redox chapter. But nomenclature is there. That is not the part of any syllabus. That's why we are teaching here. So many doubts are there. What are the basic concept? I missed that question. What is meant by nomenclature? Naming. Namkaran sanskaram. Namkaran sanskaram. When a new person is born, name is kept. Na, that's how. Clear? How many days these are conducted? 3 weeks. 3 weeks. 3 weeks. Sir, why only 3 weeks? 3 weeks later, junior senior inter, our present junior senior inter board exam IP will be over. Then we will be busy in their classes. I think 21st or 22nd May onwards somewhere, they are coming back to the classes. So at that time, we will not be able to take the time out from our schedule. Right now, time was there. So that's why we are starting. 3 weeks will be going on. Can you see both screens? Bilkul, I can see both screens from when these classes are started. Which classes, bhai? Achha, yesterday. Yesterday was the first day. Yesterday was this second day. This is second day. But don't worry, you will miss only one lecture of physics and geology. Remaining will all be uploaded on the YouTube. Okay, bhai? You will get the link. Just check your WhatsApp group. You will get the link. Don't worry. I'm very weak in isomerism. Don't worry, bhai. Isomerism is a part of junior inter syllabus. It will get covered there. Right now, we are doing foundation tuning so that junior inter you feel comparatively easy. Oxidation number equal to oxidation state. We can say that. Oxidation number, oxidation state, we can say. Chaliye, so we are starting now. We are starting now. Any other doubts are there? Please explain electromagnetism. Why? Why? Why will I explain electromagnetism? Any reason is there? Tonight coming in the exam, kya? Something. Chaliye. I will repeat yesterday's class, obviously. Next, any other class start by the revision of the previous class, but what people learn in 1.5 hours and what get revised in 5-10 minutes is not exactly same. So make sure that the video which will be posted to you, see that video also once. Done, bhai? Don't worry, just check your WhatsApp group. You don't have to go to any channel. You don't have to go to any Instagram, Facebook, anywhere. Just WhatsApp group is there that will have all the things provided to you. Clear? This class is also recording, bhai. Don't worry. This class is also recording. Don't worry. Then bhai, don't worry. It is recording. Chaliye. So, did you teach any topic yesterday? Bilkul, I taught a topic yesterday. That only I am saying video will be uploaded. This is class number 2. Day number 2 of gift program. In last class, we started something called as oxidation state. We saw oxidation state is imaginary charge. Imaginary charge. Fake charge, imaginary charge. For the oxidation state calculation, we learned some concept to remember. Using this concept, we are going to find the remaining answers. So we learned that oxygen prefer -2, fluorine shows -1, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, they show +1 and +2. Hydrogen with a metal, it shows -1 oxidation state, and with non-metal, he shows +1 oxidation state. We can see one example. With non-metal, for example, H2S, HCl, H2SO4. In all these cases, hydrogen shows +1, +1, +1 charge. Whereas with the metal, like NaH, like CaH2, hydrogen shows -1, -1. This concept we have used to find the oxidation state of, one example we have seen H2SO4. So I will change the example now so that new people can also practice the question, and the people who are older, means yesterday who attended the class, they can also get some practice of the question now. So I'm taking the example now. Let us take H3PO4. For this phosphorus, we have to find oxidation state. For phosphorus, we have to find the oxidation state. So try, bhai, then I will explain. At that time, new people can understand how to use this concept. Meanwhile, yesterday, those who attended the class, try, bhai. Correct, bhai, bilkul correct. Mahima, Janvi, Chalsa, Yashwant, correct hai. Tejaswini, Janvi, Vishwa Sai, Pavan, correct. Kaushik, correct. Priya, all correct. You revise the notes. Notes revise किया? क्या बात है? Very good, very good, very good, very good, bhai, very good. Keep on working like this, bhai. Develop habit of working. Bas. If right now you develop the habit of working, now very easily you will clear the NEET exam, and you will not even know कि NEET got cleared with such a good rank. Habit required. Very high-fi 10, 20 hours of reading is not that much effective. As much as 3, 4 hours every day you do na from now onwards. Enough. Long-term people have to read 12 to 15 hours a day. Then they will be able to get some rank. But if you start right now only, 3, 4 hours you give regularly after class, enough. Junior interval starts, slowly you will automatically increase your reading time. Now let's see. Hydrogen is coming with non-metal. For us, these are metals today. These are the metals. Remaining I will consider as non-metal. So hydrogen coming with non-metals. With non-metal, hydrogen is +1. Generally, hydrogen written first. Generally, hydrogen written first is +1, generally speaking. So this hydrogen is going to be +1. Oxygen, we say -2 preferred. So the charge on oxygen is -2. What is the total charge on H3PO4? So when you write H3PO4, you will realize that there is no charge written on the top. Paina charge lidu. Paina, no charge. No charge is written on the top. So H3PO4 have 0 charge, no charge. Neutral molecule. Neutral. So what I will say, 3 hydrogen with +1. 3 hydrogen with +1 charge. Plus 1 phosphorus with X charge. And 4 oxygen with -2 charge. 4 oxygen with -2 charge. Overall, I can get overall 0. Total is coming 0, bhai. So if I solve it, I will get 3 plus x minus 8 equal to 0. Minus 8 plus 3 is -5. So x will be equal to +5. This is the oxidation state or imaginary charge over phosphorus. से भाई clear क्या? Those who join today only, भाई it will take time. It will take time, है ना? But this time, if I start giving right now, understand it will take time means this is what we have done in 1 hour yesterday. Okay, so if some people understand today, that means their last class they have attended. You have to just listen. You have to just listen carefully, and then you have to see the video I will post in the group of last class. Bhavya, once I'm repeating, see properly here. See properly once I'm repeating. Many times I cannot repeat because I have to go to next topic now. I'm winding up this topic. This is just a revision of last class. If in revision I will repeat again and again the same example, then one topic only I will teach for 7 days, because today you join, tomorrow someone else will join, day after tomorrow someone else will join. That's the beauty of free classes. People take free classes very lightly. Then they join late. Sometimes they don't attend the classes. That is one of the major problem of the free classes. But anyway, with all we must equal to 0. No. All these things are covered in the last class. Wait. So see what we have done. Hydrogen is taken as +1. Hydrogen is taken as +1. To +1 hydrogen. Oxygen taken as -2. Now use your brain. Brain everyone has. Use your brain and think keep +1. How many hydrogen are there? 3. So total +3 na? Total +3 here. Are bhai, yes or no? Bhavya, Ashrita, Raghavendra, yes or no? Total +3 hydrogen. Are yes or no yaar? Twarga reply bhai. +1 hydrogen. So 3 people +3. Oxygen, Nalgu oxygen are there. Each one -2. Each one -2. So 4 oxygen -8. Phosphorus we don't know, so X. So -8 of oxygen plus X of phosphorus plus 3 of hydrogen total is giving you no charge. No charge means total 0. On solving this, I will get X equal to 5. Now clear? One more example, देखिए. One more example you can see. Let's take the example C2O4 2-. Here for carbon we have to find. For carbon. Try bhai. Everyone try. C2O4 2-. Good evening, Ahmad. Very late you joined. Hanji, C2O4 2-. +3 coming, +3. Correct. Try everyone, +3 should come. Correct. Raghavendra, Bhavya, Ashrita, try. +3 by +3. Let's see. Now here, this -2 is the total charge. Wherever there is a total charge, it will be mentioned on the top. You don't have to find it from somewhere. You don't have to guess where. Just use your eyes here. These eyes are given to us to see the things, and very clearly visible that 2- is the charge on the top. This 2- is not the charge on oxygen. This is the total charge. Total charge is -2. So right hand side will be -2. Right hand side, total charge -2. Now carbon, how many are there? So 2 carbon are there, each one having X charge. We don't know the charge, X. Bilkul. Plus Nalgu oxygen, and oxygen we know is -2. This is the concept we have to remember by. Oxygen prefers -2. So according to that, bilkul, very good. Ishrat, very good. According to that, 4 into -2. So this 4 oxygen -2 means -8. Total -8. And 2x. So 2x -8 is -2. So 2x equal to -2 plus 8. That is +6. So x will come +3. Calculation you need to check, bhai. Calculation check. Are you facing any difficulty here कि -8 will go on right side to +8? 8 minus 2, 6. X equal to 6 by 2, that is 3. Done by. Done. Check. Got. Arifa, today only joined? Today only joined? Chalo, try. Last example for this, then we will move on to the topic for which we came today. Correct hai. Arifa, answer. Bhavya, answer. Ashrita, answer. Raghavendra, answer. All those who are answering by this time, everyone is correct. +2, correct. +2. Correct by +2. Joshna, okay. Okay, Joshna, what's your answer? I did not see your answer, Joshna. Correct, Joshna, correct. +2. Great, let's start. Sulfur we don't know, so we take X. So 2 times of X plus. Oxygen prefers -2. So 3 into -2. Overall charge -2. You can see total charge coming -2. Here also, same to same, -2 like. So 2x minus 6 is -2. So 2x will be -2 plus 6. 6 minus 2, 4. So x will be equal to 2. 100% correct, bhai. No problem. 100% correct. Last class notes you have got in the group. One link would have come. Airshare dot something. One link would have come. There geology notes and chemistry notes I have sent. You did not open. The link. That's why you are not getting the link I have sent in all the groups. Personally, I have sent. Clear? So those who are saying not got, for them I'm saying notes will come in the group. In the group, notes will come. Clear? But it will come in the form of link. You will click on that, you will get all the PDF. Done by? Chaliye. So little space is there. One more example we can do. Otherwise, this was the last example. But because the space is there, you can try one more example. So try S4O6 2-. This question came in the 2020 NEET exam also. This question came in 2020 NEET also. Neha, it was there in the group. Maybe you have not checked, or maybe you got added later. Could be any of the reason. Correct, bhai. 5 by 2 also correct. 2.5 correct. Bilkul correct. 5 by 2, 2.5. Now, some of you might be thinking, sir, if this much easy question come in the NEET examination, then why the Akka Anna are not getting selected easily? Syllabus is huge. Speed more required. That's why. So that's why paper becomes little difficult. So 4 times of X, because 4 sulfur plus each oxygen -2 always. So 6 into -2. What is the total charge? Total is -2. So 4x minus 12 is -2. So 4x is equals to -2 plus 12. So 12 minus 2, 10. So x will be equal to 10 by 4. That is 2.5. Or we can also say 5 by 2. Bilkul correct. Just after the class, I always send the PDF. Immediately after the class, PDF I will send. But right now, please focus in the class. Let's be asking the relevant questions now. Sir, for every time oxygen show -2. Tejaswini, some exceptions are there. Some are there. We call them peroxide, superoxide. But you will never get them. When you will get them? When the chapter will come of peroxide, superoxide, then you will get them. So by that time, you will know. So right now, you will take oxygen always -2. Clear, bhai? Great. So now we are moving on to the next step now. What we have learned by this time, how to find oxidation state, we have learned. Now I'm going to start inorganic nomenclature using the oxidation state. Inorganic nomenclature of oxo acids. That is also called as oxy acids. So what is oxo acid or oxy acid? Listen carefully now. Oxo acid and oxy acid, these are oxygen, hydrogen, and one other atom. These three things should be present in the oxo acid. For example, H2SO4, H2SO3, H2CO3, H3PO4, HClO4, HClO3, HClO2. These are called oxo acid, oxygen containing acid. Pavan, I have seen your doubt, but I am not deviating from the main topic. You should also stick to the main topic. All the doubts I see, but there are certain doubts I have to ignore because I started a new topic now. This is something I can answer on WhatsApp also. So if I deviate from here, your doubt will be listened by 100 other people, but they will not understand why I am saying this word. Clear? Bhavya, last class we have discussed. See the video. Understand when a topic goes on, focus on that topic. If you are asking any other thing here and there, that means you are not listening to me, which is not good here. Why am I speaking then? For explaining you a concept now. Stick to the concept. Ha, Sanjeet, is oxo and oxy same? Bilkul, Sanjeet, sometimes oxo acid we use, sometimes oxy. Just like Sanjeet, you will have some pet name at house. Your parents will be calling you by some name, friends by some other name, but you are the same person. In the same way, oxo acid, oxy acid, both are same. Clear, bhai? Understood, bhai? Geetika, clear this thing? Remaining doubts you can ask me. WhatsApp number you have of mine. You can clarify, I will answer you there. But right now, complete focus here. Oxo acid clear? Oxo acid clear, bhai? Oxo acid means oxygen containing acid. Acid will have H plus. Acid will have H plus. So H must be there. Oxo acid to O must be there. And one other atom required. Otherwise, water you will form. Otherwise, it will be water. If other atom not there, only hydrogen, oxygen there, so you will say H2O. So H2O is not oxo acid or oxy acid. Oxo acid or oxy acid is hydrogen, oxygen, and one more atom. Hydrogen, oxygen, one more atom. Clear, Vaisam? Tejaswani, yes. That other atom can be metal also. If you want, I can give some example. HMNO4, H2Cr2O7. Bilkul. That other atom can be metal also. Bilkul, it can be carbon also. H2CO3. It can be carbon also. H2CO3. Your blood contains this. Your blood, it contains H2CO3, carbonic acid. It can be carbon also. HNO3 also. Many examples are there. If I start writing all examples, so the lecture will not be enough. No, NaOH is not oxo acid. NaOH is not oxo acid. NaOH is, OH came later, na? OH came later. OH came later. What I said, H will come generally. H will come whenever H is +1, it comes generally in the beginning. Generally in the beginning. Al2O3.2H2O is oxo acid? No. 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 Acid means acid means you should have H plus. So understand. You will see the example. Understand, right? Now, who form acids? Better to say oxo acid. Who form oxo acid? Sir, who are the people who can form oxo acid? How can you say कि NaOH is not oxo acid? How can you say कि Al2O3.XH2O is not oxo acid? How can you say these examples which I'm asking the doubt? How can you say that? Who form oxo acid? Understand. Oxo acid are formed by number one, non-metals. First category of people who form oxo acids, they are non-metal. Non-metal, they form oxo acid. Non-metals are acidic in nature. Non-metals are acidic in nature. So they form oxo acid. Category number 1. First category, non-metal form oxo acid. Who form oxo acid? Non-metal. First category. Metals also form, I will tell about that. But first category, non-metal form oxo acid. All the yellow color examples are non-metal. The other atom which we are talking about, it must be non-metal. Clear, bhai? It must be non-metal. The example number 1, understand. Example number 1, understand. It should be non-metal. Listen more, type less. Time will be there to ask the doubt. Right now is not the time for asking doubt. Right now is not the time. Time will be after completion of the slide. Let the topic complete. Let it settle in the head. Again and again you have to listen the same thing. Then only you will be able to settle this properly in the head. Understand, bhai? Non-metal will be acidic. Non-metal will be acidic. So in oxo acid, non-metal compulsory. Non-metal compulsory. But sir, if non-metal not there, metal is there, then also oxo acid possible? Yes. But in that case, the metal with oxidation state, metal with oxidation state should be metal with oxidation state of more than +5. Metals with oxidation state more than +5. That's why oxidation state was important, because I will use it now. Now you will find it. You will verify it. Let's verify HMnO4. Can you please find what is the oxidation state of manganese here? What is the oxidation state of manganese? Mn. Find it just the way you have done by this time. Are you getting it more than 5? Are you getting it more than 5? Is it coming more than 5? Yes, sir. It is coming more than 5. Yes, sir. How much coming? We can find. So hydrogen +1, oxygen -2. So sir, overall to 0, total charge 0. So +1 plus x plus 4 into -2. Sir, total coming 0. So can I say कि भैया 1 - 8 equal to 0. तो 1 - 8 is -7. तो भैया it will come x - 7 equal to 0. तो x will be +7. तो +7 more than +5? Yes. So metal can come? Yes. But which metal? Which metal? Which metal? Which metal? Which metal? More than +5. Varshit, hold. Varshit, hold. Control, Varshit, control. Control, Uday. Control. Viliginda. Up to here clear? Up to here clear? Check one more. Ashrita, beta, you don't reply to my message and then you expect I should reply to your message. When I ask you a question, you don't answer. Very chadda na hai. When I ask you a question, that time you are silent, enjoying in the house. But when you are asking question, I am replying every time. Is this justified? Kya? Say Ashrita yaar, ke single side communication will happen here. Hanji. Srinidhi, wait, I will tell. Wait. Control. Hydrogen -1. Control. I will tell. Step by step. Wait. Clear bhai up to here first. Hydrogen taken +1, I will tell you why. But clear up to here. Clear bhai? Clear? Now, Jahir, bhai 7 is more than 5 or less than 5? Bhai sahab, class 10th foundation is there, LKG foundation not there. Yeah. 7 is more than 5 or less than 5? 7 is more than 5 or less than 5? Jahir. More than 5? More than 5 na? So metal with oxidation state more than 5, they form oxo acid. Clear bhai sahab? चलिए, नाउ द डाउट विल बी देयर कि सर व्हाई यू हैव टेकन +1, व्हाई यू हैव नॉट टेकन -1. Very simple, two reasons I will tell you. Very simple, two reasons. Number one, you have not listened to what I said carefully. 2-3 times I said this thing कि hydrogen, generally hydrogen written first. What I said, you did not listen carefully. Listen carefully now. Hydrogen written first +1. Hydrogen written first is plus. Hydrogen written first is plus. भैया plus 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 plus. Very ginda. Hydrogen written first is plus. 2 times I said today. That's why I'm saying open ear. Let the finger be in pocket and ear be opened. Acha. Number 2, sir, why plus? Explain why plus. Sir, metal there, sir. You said in the last class metal there, so hydrogen should be -1. Ha. So kya non-metal not there? Only manganese there. Non-metal oxygen not there. Sir, there, sir. There. Bilkul there. Non-metal bilkul there. Acha. If non-metal is there, sir, metal is there. How can I know ki hydrogen should be +1 and -1? That's why I said hydrogen written first +1. Hydrogen written first is always +1. Logic is there कि why we are writing it plus. Logic is there. Logic is that actually the structure of Mn HMnO4 is this. Actually hydrogen is connected to oxygen, but our job is not to deal this. Our job is not a structure. We need some other trick by which we can understand कि hydrogen is connected to oxygen or manganese. How can I know? Akshara, wait kar yaar. I've seen your message. Akshara, please. Basic decency should be there. I told in the last class also कि my teaching style is like this. In the middle, I will say loudly. Now, please don't disturb me. Let me teach, please. है ना? Have some little bit of basic decency of letting the person speak in the middle. है ना? This much तो यार elders teach you ना कि don't disturb in the middle. This much तो people teach. नहीं? Not told. So I'm telling. Don't disturb someone who is speaking in the middle because you are not the only student attending the class. There are 100 others. 100 क्या? 300 others are there. है ना भाई? तो control. I understood your point. I will not change my teaching style. Clear? Because people listen only when I said also in the last class, suddenly I speak louder. I said this. है ना? अब you are again and again disturbing me. One message I ignore, second message I ignore. I'm assuming you are a good student. That's why I'm replying to you. Many unnecessary message also came. I ignore them. But yeah, why? Because now flow broken. A flow was created. Just created the flow. Broken it. अब now यार others will also not be able to understand ना यार. चलिए note down. We'll carry on. Note down तोरगा भाई. Note down. And please don't disturb when I'm speaking. I'm speaking not because I feel like speaking. I'm speaking because you need to understand what I'm trying to say. So you need to understand when to have fun and when not to have fun. When the teacher is explaining something serious is going on, that time in the middle you should not be having fun. That is not the time. चलिए भाई, डन. तो हाइड्रोजन रिटर्न फर्स्ट +1. क्लियर अप टू हियर? हाइड्रोजन रिटर्न फर्स्ट +1 because metal also there, non-metal also there. Whenever you can see the example also I have given for this reason. That time also I said कि हाइड्रोजन रिटर्न फर्स्ट तो +1. हाइड्रोजन रिटर्न फर्स्ट +1. हाइड्रोजन रिटर्न लेटर तो -1. Is the story clear? This is general idea. Some exceptions will be there, but when hydrogen written first, always you will get +1. Here no exception. That's why I've written this on the board. Here no exception. Here no generality. Here this is always going to be the rule. Is the story clear, guys? Any problems with pida? So who can form oxo acid? Sir, non-metals can form oxo acid. Non-metals can form oxo acid. Who else can form? Sir, metals can form. Yes, but condition is metal must have oxidation state more than +5. Otherwise not possible. Otherwise not possible. In fact, you can write more than equal to also, because +5 is border. +5 is border. So you can write more than equal to also. Generally not there. Arifa, when hydrogen is written last, is it compulsory? It is -1. No, Arifa, that is not compulsory. Generally, that is true. This is compulsory true. That is generally true. For example, acetic acid. So when you use the word acid, na acid, so acid means H plus. Acid means H plus. Acetic acid. Sheikh, I saw your message. One time you post, na, I can see the message. I have eyes. I can see. Right? Understood, Arifa? Chaliye. हाँ, Sheikh, what you were saying? Sir, carbonate can form. हाँ, बिल्कुल, it will form H2CO3. Bhai, here written. Example written. You also open the eyes. Or I should also write three times, kya, like you are writing. He was not stopping. 10 message he has sent. कि sir, carbonate can form. 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 How it feels, you think? How it feels, you think? Clear, bhai sahab? Viliginda? Are bhai, we are educated people. We know how to read English. Send one time. Sir, can semi-metal form? Ha, they can form, but they will not form in your syllabus. In your syllabus, they will not form. Chamka, bilkul, very good. Hanji. So up to here, I don't think any problem should be there. Shall we move on? 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 Now I think some people would have understood. चलिए भाई, going to the next. Going to the next. I repeated something three times. Akshara said, sir, please, control, sir. Achha. And there people are saying same message 10 times. Si can form oxo acid. Yes, bilkul, it can form. Sir, can metal and non-metal together form oxo acid? No. Marriage ceremony not going on, bhai. है ना? These kind of things are done alone. So metal, non-metal, what are you making? Pappu? It's a little bit of this masala, little bit of that masala, little bit of salt. Only one other element. Anyone. Very clearly I said that there should be hydrogen, oxygen and one other atom. One. Clear? So metal, non-metal, तो two atoms ना यार. नहीं. Can noble gas form oxo acid? Ha, xenon forms, but why to go there? It can form. Xenon can form. Sir, can oxo acid can form with neutral? No, bhai. Neutral means neutral. So oxo acid not possible. Metalloid will form. Yes, some metalloids form. Some metalloid form, but you will not get that in your syllabus. Done. Some metalloid form. Bilkul they form. But you will not get in your syllabus. Done. Chaliye, let's move on. Now let's learn what we have learned in the last class. 13 group, 14 group. By now done. Now doubt over. I give enough time to ask the doubt. 11547730. It is little less. I'm not reading your doubt right now. Once this slide will be completed, then I can tell your doubt. So now 13 group, 14 group, 15 group, 16 group, 17 group. These are the group numbers. Now all focus here. No message. Focus here. Listen carefully and note down. Okay, bhai? Raghavendra, focus here and note down. Now 13 group. What is the maximum oxidation state? Remember in the last class what we have done? Maximum oxidation state. -3 maximum. Chichi, how can -3 be maximum? How can negative be maximum? +3. Unit place. 13 group +3. 14 group +4. 15 group +5. 16 group +6. 17 group plus 7. This much clear? All the new people also clear? Very easy. Unit place. Unit place is the highest oxidation state. Say bhai. New people also clear bhai? Clear bhai? Clear? Money. These people, they always have same oxidation state. You don't have to find it there. These people will always have the same oxidation state, +1. So there, if you know where your nose is there, but you are finding using some method, that means you are wasting your time. That is very illogical. When nose is here, you know. So here, when you know sodium is +1, so +1. Clear bhai? Chaliye, so +3, +4, +5, +6, +7. Now let's focus on the board. Who are the element? Boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium, carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead, nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth, oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. You don't have to remember the elements today. Today is not that day. Today's day is to understand nomenclature. So now our concern will be boron. Why? Because these people are metal. And metals, they will form oxoacid. Metals will form oxoacid in +3. Metals can form oxoacid in +3. No. So bhaiya, our concern is boron. Then my concern will be carbon and silicon. They are non-metal. Clear? This is non-metal. These are also non-metal. Ab yaar, this silicon do drama. This silicon, in some chapters you will find silicon given as metalloid or semi-metal. But in some chapter you will find silicon as non-metal. So sir, what we should consider? Non-metal. For NEET exam, non-metal. So why for NEET exam non-metal? Because NCERT in a chapter called as P block writes carbon and silicon are non-metal. So I'm saying according to the NCERT, because now understand, chemistry is very wide. There are many problems that you will find in the chemistry. But which book has to be followed for the case of confusions is NCERT. That's why I said in the first presentation also, कि भाई साहब, NCERT orientation is there from class 10th moving 11 junior inter students. They will understand कि in the case of clash, because some teachers will say metalloid. In the periodic table chapter also, if I will teach you periodic table, in the periodic table chapter I will say metalloid. But when I will say finally before going for NEET examination, I will say silicon is non-metal. Is the idea clear, bhai? Bhavya, clear? There is a big controversy on this because some NCERT older ones, they used to say silicon as metalloid. But now in the NCERT, you will find silicon as a metal. In fact, why to trust blindly? We have internet. Now to all the information available on internet. Let's see what I'm talking about. So this is the NCERT book which we have to prefer. In this NCERT book, we can check here firstly about boron. So boron is non-metallic in nature. Remaining all are metal. Boron is non-metallic. Going ahead. Beta, whichever the syllabus you are studying, it does not matter for NEET. For NEET, only one book matter. There is a Bible, that is a Quran, that is the Bhagavad Gita of NEET examination, and that is NCERT. This NCERT book says कि all members of group 14 are solid, carbon and silicon are non-metal. So भैया, controversy is there whenever NCERT will be taken as the final answer for NEET examination. Am I clear? That is why NCERT orientation required. Knowledge is not enough. Controversial knowledge required, bhai. Controversial knowledge also required, because many times answers are not clear. Some other book, Tamil Nadu State Board saying something else. Bilkul. Andhra State Board saying something else. NCERT saying something else. Then which will be preferred? NCERT. Is the idea clear? So this controversy can come, because after this many of you will read from different teachers in their junior inter. So it will happen that you will think kya Pansar told wrong. Nahi bhai. By God's grace, this much knowledge is there of junior senior inter. Ki problem will not come in the knowledge part of the chemistry. So don't worry. If I say something, I am saying according to NEET examination. Understood the idea, bhai? Any problem, samasya, pida? Problem unda? Problem unda now clear? Why I am saying non-metal? Clear? Chaliye. Here also, nitrogen and phosphorus, these are non-metal, non-controversial. These are non-metal. Everyone say it's non-metal. Oxygen and sulfur, these are also non-metal. And fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, all of them are non-metal. So these are the non-metals of our concern. Boron, carbon, silicon, nitrogen, phosphorus, oxygen, sulfur, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. These people, there was a chapter name is metals and non-metals. Class, I think 10th. Class 10th, metals and non-metals. You should know this thing from there. There silicon was given as semi-metal, metalloid. But as you come to junior inter, you are writing NEET examination. Our answer is going to be silicon as a non-metal. Am I clear up to here, I guess? I think up to here, no problem should be there, bhai. Slow and steady. Any problem? Any problem? Last class also I said class will be slow, bhai. And there you have to understand. Which group is metal or non-metal? How can you say? I can say by my mouth and vocal cord. There is no other way of saying. This way, I cannot say. So only one way is there of saying, bhai. Any other way, you know? Sign language, I don't know. Seriously, I have to answer that. Even for non-metal. Dekho, simple funda is there. It depends upon a property called as electronegativity. But if you have no idea right now, so how can you learn? That is not the point. When metal, non-metal chapter was there, there are some metals, non-metals were mentioned just like that. So just like that was mentioned. Reason will come in periodic table related to electronegativity. But again, there are certain things you know. This is one of them. Clear, bhai? Why boron is a non-metal? Achha. Why are you a human being? Sir, I'm a human being. How dare you? So how dare you? Kya boron cannot speak, so you will ask anything? Boron is not able to speak for himself, so anything you will ask? Why are you a girl? It's a tough question. Valence electron of 4 to 7 are considered non-metal according to my knowledge. Is that correct? No, yaar. Not correct. Not correct. Not correct. Sanjeet, not correct. Why not correct? I'm saying here. Here the last element is bismuth, but he is a metal. Here, carbon, silicon, dekh lo na. You leave everything. Just now NCERT is opened. Why to go very far away? Just see the same NCERT. Two metals will come. Same group. Valence electron same. 4 only. Valence electron, nalgu. Germanium metalloid, tin and lead are soft metals. So the rules that you have read now, that is why problem is there. When 10th class to junior inter people go na, for this session only we are having this class. Because you should clarify all your kind of doubts. And then you should go with an open mind in junior inter wherever you go. Ki bhai, acha, problem is this, ki whatever we learned up to 10th and junior inter is not exactly matching. Clear? So there some problem will come. So that's why it is, I did not create that problem. Don't blame me. So you are creating confusion. I have not written this book yet. I'm teaching this book. Okay? So I can clarify your doubts so that you understand what is the actual science and what you have to write in the NEET exam. Boron is a metalloid. Nahin. You just now saw. Just now I showed you boron is non-metallic according to NCERT. Controversy comes. देखिए भाई, rule of life is very simple. In case of confusion, blindly follow NCERT. In case of confusion, if confusion is not there, then no problem. Whatever you read is okay. But if confusion is there, always open NCERT and check what NCERT say. Never listen to any teacher, listen to NCERT. If a teacher proves NCERT wrong using NCERT, then okay. Because just now I proved that silicon in the periodic table given metalloid. I am saying in periodic table chapter, silicon given as metalloid. But in this chapter, silicon is given as non-metal. Is the idea clear? So in case of any confusion in bio as well as chemistry, because many confusion comes here. In physics, too much confusion does not come. Even if it comes, NCERT. NEET means NCERT. In fact, JEE main also mean NCERT. Only one exam is there in the country who don't follow NCERT so religiously, that is JEE Advance. Otherwise, NEET and JEE main, they always follow NCERT blindly. Sometimes wrong also they give in the exam, but because they are in NCERT, so correct. Is the story clear, bhai? Can I move on now? हाँ बिल्कुल, UPSC तो obviously is NCERT based, but again, those are the examinations of higher level. They can contradict sometimes if required. But here it is clear to us. Shall we move on, please? Now enough. I think your doubts are clear. Sir, for both metals and non-metal, we have to use the rule of having. No, Priya. No, Priya. Priya, for non-metal to acidic only. Non-metal can never be basic. Non-metal always acidic. For metal, it is compulsory for more than +5. Okay, bhai? Okay? ठीक है. Boron does not gain electron. अरे भाई देवता निष्मा देखिए, metal non-metal now start learning beyond gain and lose of electron. It is not related to gain and lose of electron directly. Indirectly correct. Generally non-metals prefer to take electrons, metal to release electrons, generally true. But now I am talking about something called as oxidation state. From charge, your level have increased. You have understood that charge is real charge, but oxidation state we talk about, that is imaginary charge. So now no one is going to actually give the electron. There are people who will give electron and take electron also, but there are people who will simply in the imaginary world give the electron. How they give, you will learn in chemical bonding chapter. But understand, whatever the definition you have learned up to 10th is not entirely correct. Understood? Less than 5 oxidation states are bases. Yes, Bhaskar, but again, that is not the concern today. Bilkul they are bases. That's why I'm not touching them. My concern today is because once I write base on the board, then doubts will come on base. And again, we will deviate from the topic. That's why I'm writing only acid. That's why nothing about base I will answer now. Clear? I think clear up to here. We are going ahead. Hello. Going to the next page. Great. Now, nomenclature of acids. So देखिए भाई, focus on the board. Let us say your maximum oxidation state, if your maximum oxidation state is +7. Let us say your maximum oxidation state is +7. Now understand, one oxygen, how much charge? One oxygen, how much charge, bhai? One oxygen, how much charge? -2. Correct? So one oxygen will come, to -2 will come. One oxygen will go, to -2 will go. So do you agree that oxygen will create a difference of 2 charge, Rendu charge, because oxygen have Rendu minus. So one oxygen came, to Rendu charge came. One oxygen gone, to Rendu gone. Correct, bhai? Correct. I'm talking about this general scenario only. I'm not talking about any exceptional scenario which are peroxide, superoxide or something like that if you have heard. I'm not talking about them. I'm talking about this general scenario where I'm taking oxygen as -2. So will, हाँ भाई, here people did not answer भाई. Sanjeet, Bhavya, isn't it clear that one oxygen have Rendu minus? So oxygen will come, Rendu comes, charge. Oxygen goes, Rendu goes. Means Rendu go and come, that is secondary. It will go or it will come, that is secondary. But difference of 2 will come, na? Difference of 2 will come. Chelsea is saying no. Why no, beta? Why no? Why no? Why no? Hanji bhai, Sanjeet, Bhavya, attending the class or sleeping now? Started dinner now, already started dinner. Are yaar. If you are starting dinner, switch on the video, we will also see. हाँ भाई, how to oxygen atom get lost? अरे नहीं, ए भगवान, देवी, वकटी oxygen create Rendu charge. That is what I am saying. कि one oxygen will bring a difference of 2 charge. 2 oxygen, nalgu charge, 3 oxygen, 6 charge. Aru. Clear bhai sahab? Is the idea clear? Is the idea clear bhai? Chaliye. So +7 highest. So what do you think is second highest? For oxo acid, for oxygen containing acid, if the highest is 7, there is a difference of 2. Arre, clean bold. Difference of 2. It is not a normal scenario. It is not a normal scenario, bhai. Arre Sanjeet, bhai sahab, Sanjeet, highest is 7. Don't go up, come down, down, below 7. So bhaiya, below 7 +5 will come. More down, 2 more down, +3. 2 more down, +1. Above 0 you have to stay. You have to stay above 0. Done? No, don't go further down. Stay above 0. Stay above 0. Stay above 0. Clear, bhai? Chaliye. Similarly, can you tell me if maximum oxidation state is +6? Can you tell me second highest in oxo acid? Second highest in oxo acid. Bhai, now focus upon concept. Concept you have understood. Now don't stress the concept and make it a chewing gum that you don't understand. You understood already. The difference of 2 is going to come. Now don't stretch it like a chewing gum. Now application required. Immediate required. Immediate required. Can't be negative. Can't be 0. Clear cut. Why not negative? Next year you will learn. Why not 0? Next year you will learn. Today what you will learn? Erosu, next highest, +4. Below +4. Below +4. Below +4, +2. Something below that possible. Something below that possible. Something below that possible. Something below that possible. No. Tell. Up to here any doubt? Someone asked, sir, why +7 maximum? Bhai, if, search the meaning of if. If, I'll search in Telugu. It's important because people are not understanding the English here. So I need to translate. Google Translate. So English to Telugu. Bilkul. So for English to Telugu, B, C, D, E, English, ठीक है. If unte +7 +7 undi nahi, not undi, unte +7. So if in this world due to some reason +7 came, Then what we have to do, bhai sir? Is the idea clear? Is the idea clear, bhai? Unte, 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 unte. So unte you understand the concept. So selection undi. Understand the difference between unte and undi? Unte you understand the concept. Selection undi. Clear, bhai? So clarity should be there. Whether it is chemistry or it is Telugu, clarity should be there. With example only we will understand. Application important. Acha ji, if maximum oxidation state is +5, maximum is if maximum is +5. If unte +5 unte maximum. Then second highest +3. Then below that +1. తర్వాత no అయిపోయింది తర్వాత nothing. चमका. Number game clear? भाई देखो, you will become very smart after this number game. This number game clear. Now I will give you the name which we are going to use. That is the IUPAC nomenclature. Just like word root is meth, eth, prop, but. You remembered na? You remembered, bhai sahab? Ram Charan is asking, why take difference of 2? Because I was born in February and February is the second month of the year. So that's why 2 difference will come by. If I was born in March, I would have taken the difference of 3. Clear, bhai? It's very lucky for me I was not born in December. Otherwise, difference of 12 will not even come. It will go out of syllabus. Chaliye. Why difference of 2 taken? Is because these are oxo acid. And oxygen containing acid O have -2. So each oxygen, it will come or go, it will create a difference of 2 charge. It will create a difference of 2 charge. That's why we are taking the difference of 2. The more I will give you examples now. Don't worry. You will understand slowly. Ki, हाँ sir, perfectly clear it will become. Just wait for some time. Let's see. So highest. Chalo, firstly I will make this doubt only clear. Otherwise, some people will not be able to sleep today. Then they will blame me. Why Pansar did not tell? Sir, why you are not going beyond +7 as maximum oxidation state? Understood? देखो, I understood sign language also. Noble guesses. Acha, if you want to go, you can go. No one is stopping you. +8, +6, +4, +2. 4 only will come. But if you want, you can go. There is nothing wrong in that. But not required. Why not below 1? Devi, Devta, whatever was there. I already told you. You will learn in junior inter, senior inter this thing. This is foundation, middle part. If you want to listen, I can say, but you will not understand. Then you will keep on thinking about that one sentence. And what I'm explaining you, that you will not listen. I will say oxygen is the second most electronegative atom. So if anyone will get negative charge, oxygen should get negative charge. Oxygen is the Shankar Dada of periodic table. He makes the central atom get the highest positive charge. Bhaiya 50-60 words, so you will not understand here. So leave it right now. Nomenclature, when someone said nomenclature, they did not write there na ki why -1 not there. No. If something is not born, so why your son's name is not there? I don't have a son. If my son is not there, how his name can be there? So I'm teaching you name. You are asking me why it is not there. Understood the idea, bhai? So why below +1 not there? Why 0 not there? None of our concern. We need positive value right now. Answers you will get, but all the answers you cannot get right now. And if I start teaching according to you, then sequence of the topic will break, then understanding will not come. See how nicely topic by topic I am going. Firstly, I told you what is oxidation state. Then I told you how to calculate. Then I explained you some examples. Then I said, bhai, non-metals are there and metals with more than +5. Then you again practiced how to get. Understand the idea. Then yeah, they are not wasting time. That is not their intention. When you are in class 10th, that much energy is there. Yes, I will ask. When you will learn the reality of life, you will understand. You cannot understand everything in a single day. You become patient. Not patient in the hospital. Patient. Patient means like slowly you will start understanding. Understood, bhai? Patience has to develop. Learning is a very patient thing. Slow and steady. Patiently you have to learn. Chaliye bhai. Now Pawan is worried about assignment. Ki sir, assignment will come. Bilkul it will come. But right now knowledge has to come. Chaliye bhai. So let's try H2SO4 oxidation state of sulfur. Twarga find. Oxidation state of sulfur in H2SO4. Twarga find. Find cheyandi. +6 is correct. +7 is wrong. +7 to bilkul wrong. +7 to bilkul wrong. Last class example done wrong. No, not good. +6. Correct. +6. We can check. Hydrogen +1, oxygen रेंडू minus. तो भाई 2 into +1 plus X plus 4 into -2. So overall charge will be 0. Total 0. Last class we have done this. So X will come as +6. Last class we have done this example. X will come as +6. Check. Check, bhai. Came. Now tell me H2SO. Now I am doing one thing. Focus on the board. Everyone, focus on the board. Just for 10 seconds, focus, bhai. Just for 10 seconds, focus. Everyone, you will understand. Focus, bhai. H2SO4 I have given you. Now I am giving H2SO3. How many oxygen I changed? Only one. Find the oxidation state. Find the oxidation state. Check. Clarity will come. Clarity will come. Ki why difference of 2? Why difference of 2 will be clear. Can you write H2SO4 3, H2SO 3.5, H2SO 3.18? No, na. Either H2SO4 or H2SO3. H2SO4 came +6. Let's see H2SO3. This is +1. This is -2. So you will get 2 into +1 plus X plus 3 into -2. Overall will be 0. So 2 into +1 plus X plus 3 into -2, overall 0. So 2 plus X minus 6 is 0. So X will be +4. Are you understanding? If the highest is +6, second highest will automatically come +4. There are certain things which you apply, then you realize ki ha, acha. This is what sir was saying. Ki when 4 oxygen there, to chalo 6 came. So 3 will be there, 4 will come. So sir, then by if 2 will be there, sir, +2 will come. Are you getting? So you don't have to write it down like that, but understand why the difference of 2 came. This way, why 0 and negative is not there, you will not learn here. You will learn this in the periodic table. So you have to be patient here. Learning is a job of patience. It's a 2-year syllabus. 9th, 10th, junior inter, senior inter, total to 4 years. It takes time. Give some time. Be patient. Chaliye. So shall I start? Understand now. If there are 4 oxidation state, then +7 acid will be per ... ic acid. +7 will be per ic. +5 will be ic acid. +3 will be ovus acid. And +1 will be hypo dot 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 ovus acid. Understand, just like you have remembered met, eth, prop, but, pent, just like you have remembered an, in, ein. In the same way, IUPAC inorganic nomenclature. Now, slowly you might be realizing perchloric, sir said in the last class, periodic, per iodic, sir said in the last class. Slowly you will realize कि per dot 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 ic acid plus 7. So 4 people are there, 4 people there. So highest oxidation state per ic, tarvata ovus, tarvata hypo ovus. Salisha, what is my name? Salisha, what is my name? My name. You know? Salisha, do you know my name? Salisha don't know my name. Are yaar, Salisha yaar. हाँ तो what's my name? What's my name? What's my name? What's my name? My name is. Salisha is not telling. Salisha is not saying. Shalisha is asking others. Salisha. Sheila? No, Sheila is not there. Salisha, what is my name? Salisha don't know my name. She's asking others right now. Hello. What is sir? Who is this person teaching? Because Sanjeet also know my name. Ahmed also know my name. Acha, Salisha. Salisha, chalo theek hai. You don't know my name, okay. Why you don't know my name? Can you derive my name? Can you derive my name? Some concept will be there by which you can derive my name. Possible? Salisha, can you derive my name? Possible kya? Salisha, now to answer yaar. Salisha, now answer yaar. Can you derive my name? You will get the answer of your question. Can you derive my name? If you don't know, can you derive my name? No. तो भाई, if name you will not remember, understanding the idea? No, Mansa. +5 is not always ick. No, Mansa. +5 is not always ick. Understand? I will say. Is the idea clear? Now, Salisha's doubt was, ki, sir, we have to remember these names. Bhai, name. My name, what you did? Derived kya? Remembered only, na? Is the idea clear? Kyun bhai Ahmed? Your name I remembered? So bhai sahab, understand, names have to be remembered. So bhaiya, first one per ick, then ovus, then hypovus. Now understand, if there are 3 acid, sir, how can I know there are 3 acid? Arey, you will know. You know highest oxidation state. If I say, let's say, highest oxidation state 5, so how many oxo acid? Sir, 5, sir, 3, sir, 1. So sir, 3 acids are there. Are you getting? That's why I told you this number game. If there are 4 acid, highest is per ick, then ovus, then hypo-ovus. If there are 3 acid, so the highest will be ick, lower will be ovus, and lowest will be hypo ... ovus. Getting? 4 people to per ick, 3 people to bottom 3 name I will take. Bottom 3. I will not disturb the eldest person. Eldest person in the house should not be disturbed. Some work will come. There are 2 siblings, elder sibling, younger sibling. Some work comes. The elder one sleep on the bed, na, they will ask the younger one, go, open the door. Guests have come. Yes or no? elder one sleep, enjoy. So bhaiya, if all 4 required, to per ik, ovus and hypo ovus, only 3 required. So bhai sahab, ik, ovus, hypo ovus, then per not required. Veliginda. Similarly, if there are 3 oxidation state, if there are 3 oxidation state, this is ic acid, ovus acid, and hypo ovus acid. Try to understand this today, bhai. Try to understand this today. If there are 4 acid, no. Again, understand. +2 does not mean hypo. +4 does not mean OS. Don't learn wrong thing. +5 does not mean ic. Nah. If there are 4 acid, then highest per ic, then ovus, then hypo ovus. That value can be anything. For example, tell me, +8, +6, +4, +2, correct? +8, 6, 4, 2. +8, 6, 4, 2. So how many acid are there? 4 acids will be there. 8, 6, 4, 2. So highest one per ic acid. Tarvata ic acid. Tarvata ovus acid. And tarvata hypo ovus acid. Are you getting the point? It is not like if +4 will be ovus. Nah. +4 here is ovus. So sir, here also ovus. So everywhere ovus kya? No. Ramcharan, why we given this name is because some name has to be given, and Pintu was not a good name. So we thought, why not ic acid? Will it look good kya? Pintu ic acid. Chintu acid, Pintu acid will be good names kya? Nahi na. Clear? I will tell. If 2 acids are there, that also I will tell, but in the next class. Not today. Today we are at the ending. Next class I will tell about 2 acid also. Then I will give all the examples. Then bhai sab, example, full of example. Guarantee I can give you, by next class you will become master of all these things. Is the idea clear, bhai? So don't worry, be patient. Today we have learned how to apply oxidation state for oxo acid. Next class, complete understanding. Have you realized one thing? Ki complete understanding will come only by application. Until you apply, you will not get complete understanding. So for complete understanding, tomorrow, same time, same place, only on zoom.web. Veliginda. Understanding you want, clarity you want, you have to come tomorrow. And in time you have to come tomorrow. Because tomorrow I will start the revision from here, and then I will start with khatakhat, name will come. Very many names will come. Clear, bhai? Beta 5 not possible. 5 not possible. Lakshmi, 5 not possible. That's why I told you the last group is 18 group. 18 group means +8. More than 8 electrons in the last shell. More than 8 electrons in the last shell, not possible. And if 8 is there, then also maximum you can get 4 acids. So no possibility. If there was a possibility, IUPAC would have given the name. So there is no possibility. Clear, bhai? Bhavya, my channel will be with my name only, but those videos are not meant for you. Those videos are for the revision people. Those who are revising. Last year, I opened the video, means made the channel. Sir, send worksheet for the practice. I will send. Oxidation number +5, then for metal oxo acid possible. That is actually Pavan amphoteric. That's why I'm not saying very precisely right now, because amphoteric V2O5 is the example. But that is very much detailed. That comes in the D block. So what are the basic concepts we learned in the chemistry before starting NEET preparation? Names of the compound and oxidation state, which I'm telling right now. In physical chemistry, mole concept. In organic also, names. No, akshara nahi. Hypo and ic cannot come together. No. We cannot make our own rules. We have to follow IUPAC nomenclature. Sir, is one other atom in compulsory in formation of oxygen acid? Yes, compulsory. Is hydrogen written first? I missed that question. Today's video send in the group. I will send. Even for negative, they gave. Sir, today's video, please send. I will send. What are the basic concepts? One video I will post. See that video. In the last class, I have explained in detail physical, inorganic, organic, which concepts are there, which are the important things we are discussing, why we are discussing this nomenclature. You will understand. Next class, we will come to conclusions. Names will come, example will come. So, bhai, any problem, samasya, pid up to here is there kya? If there are two, can it be possible? If there are two, then we use ik and overs. But wait, next class will come na. Don't make me say the things that I cannot explain in the given time. Sir, can you post classwork, what we have done? I will post. I will post. Sir, please send last class. I will send which topics are important. I will explain in the last video. I will post that I have explained in the last class. You will see. Class tour, it is available on our channels, means Instagram and all. Videos are there. Why more than 8 electron not possible? Octet. So every class will be recorded and posted in the group. Yes. From today onwards, yes. Yesterday class I will upload. After ending this class, I will upload the yesterday's class. Insta account Shri Ghoshalites. Some videos are there. There the classroom photographs are mentioned in the video. So can you say one example of hypoxia acid? No, I will say at least 10 examples. But I will tell tomorrow, Sohail. That's why I said for complete understanding, come tomorrow. I will not touch and go. That is a very bad way of teaching. If I start something, it will be completely done. That is tomorrow. Bilkul. Class completed. I think no other doubt is left. Done. Pranati, video I will post. There all the important topics are mentioned. Pranav, I will give some questions. Many questions from the previous year. Many. On this topic, many questions are there in previous year. I will show you also. Year also I will show. Don't worry. Chaliye. Okay, bhai. My favorite IPL team is everyone's favorite almost. That is Chennai Super Kings. But it is losing this year. So now whichever the team will win is my favorite team. Chaliye. Okay then. Tata, bye bye. Good night. Shubh Ratri. Good night.